Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcart. Today, let us educate ourselves about water and water pollution. Water is the most important resource for survival on a planet. It is the essence of life on our planet Earth. Yet, if you ever see a river or lake around your city, it would be evident to you that we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. Two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered by water. 76% of our body is made up of water. Water and water cycle. As you already know, water is everywhere and all around. However, we have a fixed amount of water on Earth. It just changes its states and goes through a cyclic order known as the water cycle. The water cycle is a natural process that is continuous in nature. It is the pattern in which the water from oceans, seas, lakes, etc. gets evaporated and turns to vapor, after which it goes through the process of condensation and finally precipitation when it falls back to earth as rain or snow. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and groundwater, etc., usually caused due to human activities. Water pollution is any change, minor or major, in the physical, chemical, or biological properties of water that eventually leads to a detrimental consequence of any living organism. Drinking water, also called potable water, is considered safe enough for human and animal consumption. Water pollution is one of the leading worldwide cause of death and disease. Example due to waterborne diseases. Water pollution can be classified as surface water or groundwater pollution. Marine pollution and nutrient pollution are subsets of water pollution. Sources of water pollution are either point sources or non-point sources. Point sources have one identifiable cause of the pollution. Non-point sources are more diffuse and no identifiable cause. Pollution is the result of the cumulative effort over time. All plants and organisms living in or being exposed to polluted water bodies can be impacted. The effects can damage individual species and impact the natural biological communities they are a part of. Sources of water pollution: domestic waste, industrial influence, insecticides and pesticides, detergents and fertilizers. Some of the water pollution are caused by direct sources such as factories, waste management facilities, refineries, etc., that directly releases waste and dangerous byproducts into the nearest water source without treating them. Chemicals and pathogens as well as physical parameters. Contaminants may include organic and inorganic substances. Elevated temperatures can also lead to polluted water. A common cause of thermal pollution is the use of water as a coolant by water power plants and industrial manufacturers. Indirect sources include pollutants that infuse in the water bodies via groundwater or soil or via the atmosphere through acidic rain. Effects of pollution of water. The effects of water pollution are diseases. In humans, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many disastrous effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, and various other diseases. Eradication of ecosystem. Ecosystem is completely dynamic and responds to even small changes in the environment. Increasing water pollution can cause an entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Eutrophication. Chemicals accumulation and infusion in a water body encourages the growth of algae. This algae form a layer on top of the pond or lake called pond scum. Bacteria feed on this algae and this even decreases the amount of oxygen in water body, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Effects of the food chain. Tremoli in food chain happens when the aquatic animals such as fish, prawns, crab, etc. consume the toxins and pollutants in the water and then the humans consume them. Prevention of water pollution. The best way to prevent large scale water pollution is to try and reduce its harmful effects. There are numerous small changes we can make to protect ourselves from a future where water is scarce. Conserve water. Conserving water should be our first aim. Water wastage is a major problem globally and we are only now waking up to the issue. Simple small changes made domestically will make a huge difference. Treatment of sewage. Treating waste products before disposing of it in the water bodies helps reduce water pollution on a large scale. Agriculture or other industries can reuse this wastewater by reducing its toxic contents. Use of environment friendly products. By using soluble products that do not go on to become pollutants, which can reduce the amount of water pollution caused by a household. Life is ultimately about choices, and so the water pollution. We cannot live with sewage-turned beaches, contaminated rivers, and fish that are poisonous to drink and eat. To avoid these scenarios, we can work together to keep the environment clean so the water bodies, plants, animals, and people who depend on it remain healthy. We can take individual or teamed action to help reduce water pollution. As an example, by using environmentally friendly detergents, not pouring oil down the drains, reducing the usage of pesticides, and so on. We can take community action to keep our rivers and seas clean. And we can take action as countries and continents to pass laws against water pollution. Working together, we can make life water pollution less of a problem and the world a better place for living. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Meet you in the next video.